To create an EBI account and connect it to Hamster Kombat, follow these steps. Go to the official EBI platform and look for the sign up or create account button on the homepage. Fill in the required details such as your email address, username, and password. Make sure to use a strong password for security. Check your inbox for a verification email from EBI. Click the link in the email to verify your account. Return to EBI website and log in using your new credentials. In your EBI account dashboard, look for a Connect or Integration section. Find Hamster Kombat in the list of supported games or applications. Click on Hamster Kombat and follow the on-screen instructions to link your account. You may need to authorize the connection and grant permissions. Once connected, you can access Hamster Kombat through your EBI account and enjoy the game. Make sure to keep your login details secure for a seamless gaming experience. I hope today's tutorial helped, and I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.